Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to program key fob for 2004 Lincoln Navigator. Begin by gathering 2 working keys and the new fob, and make sure both key batteries are fresh. Park the Navigator in park with all doors closed and the ignition off. Have a helper nearby if possible to press buttons while you cycle the ignition. Stay calm and follow each step carefully to avoid locking yourself out or wasting fob battery life. Place a working key into the ignition and remove it 8 times, ending with the key inserted on the 8th cycle. After the final insertion, turn the ignition to the accessory position and press the new fob's unlock button within a few seconds. Watch for the door locks to cycle as confirmation that the fob learned the vehicle's security code. If locks do not cycle, repeat the sequence carefully or try a different working key to complete programming. If programming does not succeed, replace the fob battery and attempt the sequence again, making sure timing is quick and precise. Verify there is no aftermarket alarm or immobilizer interfering with the factory routine, because many systems block programming. If you lack 2 working keys or continue to have problems, plan a visit to a dealer or qualified locksmith who can use diagnostic tools. Keep your VIN and proof of ownership handy to speed service when needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.